brainy friends. Welcome back to Brainy Barn, where fun and learning collide. Today we're learning how the operating system manages application software. That sounds big and brainy, but don't worry, Benny's got you. Imagine you only speak kid language, and your computer only speaks robot language. How would you understand each other? You need a translator. That's what the operating system does. It acts like a helper between you, your programs, and the computer's parts. When you click something, the OS translates your click into instructions the computer understands. Cool, right? Here's a secret computer word: system calls. When an app needs help, it calls the operating system, like this: spreadsheet. Hey OS, I need help opening a file. That's a system call. The OS listens and says, I'm on it. Let's imagine Mia opens her spreadsheet program. She clicks, file gives open. What happens next? The spreadsheet doesn't just magically find the file. Nope. It asks the OS for help. The OS looks through the files, shows Mia a list, loads the file into memory, and makes it ready to edit. When Mia clicks save, the spreadsheet asks the OS again, and the OS stores the file safely so she can use it later. That's teamwork. Now Mia wants to print her spreadsheet. Does the spreadsheet talk directly to the printer? Nope. It asks the OS. The OS sends the job to the printer. It's like the OS is the manager of a busy office. Everyone asks the OS for help, and the OS makes sure everything runs smoothly. There's lots happening behind the scenes. The OS manages the CPU, RAM, mouse, keyboard, and printer. When you type on the keyboard, click the mouse, open a program, print a file, the OS makes sure all the parts work together. Without the OS, it would be chaos. Did you know you can open a Word document, a spreadsheet, a drawing program, all at the same time? That's called multitasking. The OS gives each program some RAM so they can all work properly. It shares the computer's memory. Fairly, like sharing hay at the barn. Now let's talk about files. Your computer has two types: program files and data files. Program files make your apps run. Data files are things you create: documents, spreadsheets, pictures. The OS keeps them organized in folders. Folders live inside something called a directory. Think of it like a big digital filing cabinet. And here's something super brainy. The OS keeps a special index called a file allocation table. It's like a master list of where every file is stored. Every time you create a file, rename it, move it, delete it, the OS updates the list. That's a big job. Have you ever seen letters like C, D, E? Those are drive letters. The OS assigns letters to storage drives so it knows where everything is. It's like giving each barn its own name. Now it's your turn. Do you know what operating system your computer uses? On many computers, you can right-click My Computer and click Properties, and you'll see the name of your OS. Go explore with an adult's help. Let's review. The operating system displays the GUI, manages application software, coordinates hardware and software, and handles data storage and retrieval. It's the brain of the computer. Without it, your apps couldn't open, save, print, or work together. You just learned something super tech smart today. Give yourself a big Brainy Barn clap. See you next time at the Brainy Barn, where smart learning grows.